In the darkest depths of our oceans, something terrifying glows. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to subscribe for more mysteries. A lone diver ventures into the endless abyss. The anglerfish, a monster of the deep with a deadly light. But not all life here is terrifying. Some are strangely beautiful. Sonar reveals something massive, something unknown. A colossal creature, its glowing eyes piercing the dark. Transparent beings, glowing with life, drifting in silence. Suddenly, the seafloor erupts in a storm of light. A giant octopus, its tentacles shimmering with bioluminescence. The diver now realizes he is not alone. So tell me, are we truly alone in the deep?